So hello guys, what you see here is a MOTOWOLF. It is a mobile phone holder. I ordered this yesterday and I had unpacked it and I had kept it on my bike. So see what we got. I got this as an extra in case if the other one is not working anymore. I can use this, and I also got this, which you can use it to tighten up this thing. And I also got this manual book where all the practical instructions are here. If you don't know how to use it, you can check from here. It'll give you every detail. And the purpose for me of buying this is that I want to travel, I want to explore and make a vlog, and I will show you how it is, how it works while riding. Is it strong or not? And then I will let you know at the end of the video. You see, this is the product I told you. Like as soon as I receive it, I place it on my bike and see how useful this how helpful this product is. That if you don't want to use it, you can keep it like this, and if you want to use it, you can flip it up like that, and then see, you can do like that also. You can flip it like that. You can do anything here. You can even go down, you can even go stand straight, and then see, you can even do all the way like that too. You see, this is a very good product actually. And if you don't want this to move, you can tighten up from here. And see, if you want to take it in landscape also, you can take it. And if you want to do this also, you can do it. I believe this will help me a lot in making vlog while I am exploring. So that's it. I will show you how it works while riding. So now that I will not be using, I will keep it back like this. You see, you keep it all the way down and then take that up. Cool. This is cool, isn't it? I think it's a great product. So this is the first time I'm using this phone. So right now I'm using this product. So right now I'm using the front camera. We'll see how strong it holds and how does it support. So okay, now we can go. So tama lang. Haha, it's raining, and I don't have the mic, so hopefully you guys will be able to hear my voice. See, it's raining, and it's sunny, and then it's raining at the same time. Crazy. think I have to hold it that side. I find it difficult to push. Jesus. If you are a beginner, these are the problems you will face while riding the bike. I mean, I find it so difficult to park, you know. However, I'm trying my best. Keep practicing. The road seems busy. Seats shaking a lot to see. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I am trying to see how well it works to take a video from my phone. So guys, let me tell you, since I have tested, I just got back home, and this product, this MOTOWOLF, I think it's a good product. Not I think, but it is a good product, and it holds my phone very strong. and it's very tight. However, as you can see in some of the video, the camera is not good because it's the iOS camera and the video is shaking a lot. So otherwise everything is good. I like this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.